The YIHUA 948D III Desoldering Station is a versatile tool that combines both soldering and desoldering capabilities, making it ideal for a wide range of electronic projects. This station features a powerful 110-watt EVO soldering iron that heats up swiftly and maintains temperature stability for efficient soldering tasks. The improved desoldering tool offers a rapid heating time and ensures continuous operation without clogs, enhancing productivity in through-hole desoldering work. Included in the kit are 3 pre-tin desoldering nozzles, providing options for various desoldering needs, along with multiple filters and a heat-resistant pad. The device incorporates modern conveniences such as automatic shutdown and sleep mode functions to conserve energy and prolong the lifespan of the equipment. YIHUA offers peace of mind with a 12-month technical coverage and round-the-clock professional support, ensuring reliable service and guidance.